Hello, my name is Tim Curley. I'm the Regional Sales Manager with Federal Signal, and I'm here to talk today about our new product family we're very excited about, and that's the DurAlert. The DurAlert is a pyramid beacon. It's an audible visual combination beacon, and we're going to have three versions of it. There's going to be a safe area version, a Class 1 Div 2 rated version, as well as a UL Fire rated version. It's a pyramid design, and it has 4 different flash patterns. It also has 4 separate tones with 4 separate contacts inside, so you can actually notify 4 different statuses with just the one beacon. This product is NEMA 4X. It's IP66. It's also IP69K compliant, so it's perfect for any washdown applications you might have if you're in the food and beverage vertical or anything else. 4 flash patterns. It has a continuous. It has a 60 flash per minute, 120 flash per minute, as well as a simulated strobe. It has 4 separate tones. The tones are, it has a continuous tone, a high and low siren tone, a temporal 3 beep tone for fire, and a temporal 4 beat tone for gas. And this will be available within a few weeks here. It's a brand new product. And if you have any questions, please ask your Standard Electric account manager about it.